Today, we planted the 100,000 mangrove for Bonefish and Tarpon Trust's Bahamas Mangrove Restoration Project.
We should take a moment and thank those who really helped us to get it done. That infuse our heart, our government agencies who've been with us from the beginning, schools, lodges, our restoration crew, as well as the guides who really helped us there to make this thing that way today. And then our funders who have really been able to help make this all happen.
Since Hurricane Dorian, we lost all our mangroves, our ecosystem was in a bad rumble, and BTT came in, make it happen, and they, as you can see, they created even jobs in the villages for persons like myself and others. And not only that, but they bring in back what we lost.
Working with guides in Abaco and Grand Bahama, we strategically identified sites that needed restoration most. It was important that the knowledge of the guides and the best available science was used to steer this mangrove restoration project towards success.
The devastation created by storms was so utterly impactful in a negative way. We saw right away that something had to be done. Everything was brown, especially on the north shore of Grand Bahama.
Anybody who's been through that recognizes that we lost a lot of habitat and a lot of beauty.
This project is helping to regrow this vital ecosystem to give back to the livelihood of those community persons who depend on it, especially the bonefish guys, persons who conduct tours within the mangrove and ecotourism as well.
This project has been an incredible opportunity for outreach and education. Students and teachers have engaged with mangrove restoration both in the classroom and out in the field. These experiences are important for our young people and educators as bonefish play an important role in Bahamian culture and our economy.
Once again, going through Doria, we recognize mangroves are important for breaking down the energy of the waves, breaking down storms, protecting the coastline.
It's good for the lobster, the fish, the bonefish, the shrimp, the crab. Everything feeds from the mangroves, even the conchs.
It's very important to protect them and, where possible, restore or carry out restoration efforts so that we can make sure that we have a healthy population for years to come.
It's a wonderful synergy that we have between these organizations, and I think we're stronger together.
So to have these mangroves back in the water for us is a dream come true. And I must say thank you, BTT.
We would not have been able to do it without you, and we know that the future is definitely bright because we've built such strong partnership, strong collaboration.